Welcome back, guys. So in this tutorial we will be getting familiar with the basics of the directory and all those stuffs that we should know before development, right? So I will be going to open the folder where I have my Laravel package, all the files. So from the last tutorial, if you are familiar with that, so just click on Laravel. Yeah, so just select the folder. So this is the entire structuring of the Laravel framework. So what it is just a framework developed for PHP to support various easiness like constructing tables into database with just few commands rather than writing all those stuffs, and maintaining the project into an MVC architecture, right? So first of all, I will tell you about the app directory. So app directory will contain some of the useful stuffs like HTTP folder, and this will contain your controlling files, your requests, your routes. So I will first explain to you about route. What is a route? Route basically when anyone will query about like www.example.com and then /todo. So this route will tell that after receiving todo from the user, it will call this function and it will make a view and will let you to todos, and you have to see, just get into the public folders, create on views, and it will let you toward this. And whatever written means this is the actual file you will design, but the route will decide which file to display when a particular request is being asked by the user, right? So I hope that's clear. So get back. So we will try to start our project. So first of all, just right click and then open command prompt here and type the command php artisan and then serve. So what it will do, it will put your project live first. Yes, your project is running up, and just go into the localhost and just type 8000. Yes, it is running up. So now it does not have anything to display, right? So what you're gonna do, we're gonna first create our route. So just go inside the route file and I will teach you how to write your first route. So first of all, type route, then followed by a method through which you will be calling the site. So there are three kinds of methods in web applications. One is get, another is post, right? And put and delete are other kinds of requests, but majorly get and post are being used. Get is being used for requesting something and post is being used for submitting something. So we're gonna first of all requesting something. So we will be using get, just close the parenthesis, right? Inside this we wanted to describe what the user will be typing. So we wanted to like test, and rather than test it will find to type show. Now whenever user will click or whenever user will visit that or type the show, a function will be called function and it will be returning us the view, means what we wanted to display, right? So how to create a view, this is the sample structuring you should know. So type return and view followed by this resolution operators, and then type make because we wanted to make the view, and just close the parenthesis. So this is the basic thing which we are doing first of all before going into the large projects, right? First to display how MVC is working. So we have the route folder configured and we wanted to make, just type the name of the view we wanted to have. So we will be typing showing, right? So it is making the view, but there isn't any view available. So go into the resources folder and go inside the view folder, right click in that, create a new file, save it as PHP file and name it as showing.blade, because I will I will teach you about why we are putting dot blade, because this Laravel uses blade templating. So just remember, the main thing is showing file we have to define and dot blade. So just save, and here we will be typing the basics like echo, hey, you are in the right place. So inside the route file, we have defined our route that whenever the user will typing show, the function will be called and it will be returning as a view, and that view is this. Now let's test whether it is working or not. Just show, and yes, you can see it is saying us, hey, you are in the right place. So this is the basic stuff that we have did. What we are doing, we have defined the route and then basically it is returning as a view. That's what the basic for the MVC. In the next tutorial, I will teach about how to define a controller rather than having a long method just like this. So catch you guys in the next